Hi everybody, welcome to Wednesday with Wise Guys here at the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. If you were with us on Tuesday morning, yesterday, you caught the fact that we're going to make a change. Our Wednesday's Wise Guys is going to turn into weekly Wise Guys, and it's going to be at about 9 o'clock on Tuesday mornings, rather than this time slot of Wednesday afternoon. So we're going to be shifting that starting next week. And yesterday I did a shop tour. Today I'm going in reverse and showing you a few more things that we finished, and we'll just take a quick spin around the shop and show you some of the new things. We've got some new runners and kits and table runners, and I'm going to head around this way into the kids or the Brights room. Some of this you saw yesterday, but you didn't see the back of this because we weren't done. We've got our flannel wall along this side, and then our pre-cut cuddle rolls, all ready to turn into those little drag-along quilts, and some real cute kids' books, and a sunshine panel, farm fabric over in the corner, and kids' things all along this wall. What you didn't see yesterday was the movement of the flower panels. They had been out in the main area, and they're tucked back here and spread out so you can see them nicely. And we're going to head up towards the middle room. Did a little change up over here, and you'll see the other quilt around in the back area in a few minutes. All of our AOK patterns are 4 1/2 yard cuts, and there's about 9 different patterns. Again, solid and bright, color wall in here, and then up into the newly rearranged area. This round portion in the middle has our automotive and motorcycle fabric on this side. And I'm going to come around this way and got in some new patriotics over there and come around this way. On the back wall, we moved the blacks, whites, and grays, and still have some purses and some novelty things along this wall. And then the other side of these cubes are sports fabric, some new baseball, some new camo just came in, and got the Brewers and Packers back in and a number of Badger fabrics. And the biggest move we did was we brought our batiks up into this middle room. A little brighter up here, and over on the right is browns, neutrals, kind of camping and fun outdoor fabric. And then along this side, a little bit of a green, blue, and red area. So that's what we changed up here. Hope I'm not moving too fast, but we did some of this yesterday. I didn't come in here yesterday. We're still kind of taking down Christmas and moving things around, but we got some real cute new Easter fabrics and St. Patty's Day fabrics in. So those just came in. Just kind of some fun ones. And over here, our Rachel's Heart pillow pattern turned into a quilt. And this little heart runner is a machine embroidery project that's been real popular. And back here, some of our fall and winter pieces yet. Batting's back here. Halloween, little bit, and Kay's still working back here getting the last of those Christmas things organized and put away. This side is some fall fabrics, and over here a cute little Easter bunny wall hanging that we have kits available on as well. And then I'm going to head out through the back. We do have some Christmas yet, some projects that if you're really anxious to start for next year, they're still available. And I'm going to come out into the back, and the ladies are working, putting things away back here. We did get some of the smaller machines back in, so we've got a nice blend of small, medium, and large machines back in stock. We still have a bit on sale that'll be put away soon, but still there. Penny and Tina wave and say Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. Carrie snuck in behind me. Carrie, want to say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
So nice to have everybody back with us. And as I come around, the last bit of rearrange here, we put up the Bruce the Bear panel. This was all quilted on an embroidery machine. I'm going to just do a little bit of a close-up. You can see the little swirls here are a built-in feature on the machine. The background stars were all put in on the embroidery machine. The little bears, their faces are all textured with stitching that's done on the embroidery machine. And his little shirt over here was decorative stitches, and his little face and tail. So just some fun projects to be done on the embroidery machines, and some books on free motion quilting if you're a sewing machine quilter. And then our blender wall across here, and the pretty dogwood quilt and some of the coordinates. And then back headed towards the front door again, some of our blenders and things that were new up here. I come across this way, the tulip pink line work and black and white over here. And we did a bit of a rearrange. This wall is where the batiks were, and by moving those up in the other room, it gives us a larger wall space to show some quilts. The empty cube over on the right, Penny's making some kits for that cute wine runner that's hanging there. And two of those quilts are the 3 1-yard cuts from the Modern Views book, Modern Views. And I've got a lady walking in the door who's going to be surprised. I'm going to turn this way in case she doesn't want to be on camera. Do you want to wave and say hi? No, she's going around the other way. I'm going to back this way. The cabin quilt, the block for the cabin was our Santa's Workshop block. It is now up on the website in the shopping area under downloadable patterns. You can get that pattern for the cabin online there. And along this wall, Stonehenge and the hydrangea fabric. Whispering Pines was very popular. We did get another printing of that, should be arriving in February. And just some other fun new things. So that's what's up around here. The biggest change for all of you is that we are going to be doing Wise Guys, our weekly Wise Guys with demos on Tuesday mornings. And I'm going to say around 9 o'clock. When I say around 9 o'clock, give or take 15 minutes or so, 9:30 at the latest. A better time, we had a lot of people say they really liked having morning coffee with us. And so we're going to make that change. So we'll be doing our demo and our Wednesday Wise Guys on Tuesday mornings at 9 o'clock. So this is the last 1 o'clock Wednesday Wise Guys. And hope you enjoyed the tour. Cheryl will be starting her log cabin project. Techniques videos will be starting in early February. And Kathy and Elaine, myself, will be working on a stitch-along of purses, creating different styles of purses. That'll be starting late January. It will be a combination of video lesson plus some Zoom time. Zoom time for question and answer. So those are things that are coming up. You can see all of our videos on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/thesewingbasket. They're also on our website, www.sewingbasket.biz. B as in business, I, Z as in zebra. And our online shopping is there as well. Hope you all had a great new year and a happy holiday. We look forward to 2021 being a little bit less crazy than 2020. Thanks so much, and we will see you next Tuesday morning at 9-ish. Thanks. Bye-bye.